have something really cool to show you. Whoa, that's crazy. Holy shit. As of today, this is the most expensive, most extravagant, most opulent wheel we've ever seen. This is the Brixton PF2 Carbon Plus with Dymag. It's a custom made to order wheel. Client picks the design, the finish, the size, everything. Made to fit just one vehicle, in this case, our client's Ferrari 488. The center finish is unlike any other gold I've ever seen from any manufacturer. It's as gold gets. It literally looks like Brixton went and took Egyptian gold, melted it down, and made this wheel. The color actually looks like this in person. It's that shiny, it's that lavish looking. And just to clarify, this is not chrome. No, this is polished. It has a level of sophistication to it that chrome can never achieve. Since this is a two-piece wheel, the barrel is an independent piece, and unlike the center, which is an aerospace forged aluminum, the barrel is fully carbon fiber from front to back. This makes the wheel 25% lighter, yet still strong enough for supercars and hypercars. So how much is a set of this wheel? Well, base price for the wheels start at $22,840 for 22 inch. It comes with carbon fiber barrels that you see, but for $5,000 more, you can upgrade the carbon fiber to forged carbon fiber if you wanted to. The black logos that you see, $400, and the beautiful gold finish is $1,200. Carbon fiber center caps and black hardware, free of charge. With shipping and everything, you're looking right at $25,000. After a build time that can take up to several months, you too can own a set like this. At this point, it's more than just wheels for a car. They're like art pieces or high-end jewelry. It's crazy.
Who's nice? Yeah, this is badass. Damn, I want another set now. Jeez, it looks a lot better in person. Hey, I'm about to get another one.
This is premium. This is Dymag. These are nice, dude. Even the center cap.
After a very careful mount and balance, the wheels are on the 488. It looks really good. The gold pops, the carbon fiber adds a nice settled detail. From afar, it looks like gloss black, but obviously up close, you realize you're looking at probably the most expensive wheels you've ever seen in your life. It almost feels absurd to let these wheels touch any ground surface that isn't like a red carpet. Just knowing that it'll eventually get rain, dust, or dirt on already kind of hurts just thinking about it.